Nico, is he all right up there?
I'm holding it with two hands.
I wonder why it's doing that.
Just caused all that unrest.
That's cool. The water.
Ooh, look at these avocados. Perfect. Oh my goodness, I just tasted it and it is so yummy. Okay, take your cottage cheese, put it in the food processor, and since I don't like all those bumpies, all I gotta do is
that time and where I'm at, I'm actually trying to enjoy my person or my life. So please impose your life. And by the way, I also may be somebody who like I do find
I always
myself
pictured the rabbit
that
from
but
the
what's wrong?
animals.
But nothing's wrong.
All right, so high protein taco salad. I got some lettuce that was live and then cut off some leaves so it can continue growing. I put a little bit of water at the bottom of that. And then added in some romaine lettuce, chopped it up, browned some ground beef from Costco, the grass-fed beef, and then added salt and pepper, cumin, oregano, turmeric. And then once this meat mixture was done, I started with my topping, which was cottage cheese. And I've been hearing all the rage about good culture. So I bought that at Walmart Neighborhood Market. And I put that in my food processor, a Cuisinart, and blended that to get all the curds out. It makes it nice and smooth, and it helps you get like a sour cream texture. And then I added diced, a half of an avocado, diced, some cilantro, and about a quarter of a packet of the ranch seasoning. So at the very beginning, I separated out some of the cottage cheese, and I'm going to use that as a dessert, which I'll probably do that tomorrow. All right, and then I added some cilantro to this because I thought that'd help us get some nice flavor. I could have even added some onions, but I didn't even think about it. Okay, so this is nice and blended. Then we put it into a container and added some cilantro to the top just to make it look pretty. So this will be a topping on top of the salad. Then I went in and made an iced parfait. Everybody was talking about getting some espresso over ice and then pouring their Fairlife over it. Well, I just made a more concentrated brew for my Joshua Tree coffee, and then I put the ice and Fairlife protein drink in there, so there's some more protein. Now I plated everything, put the lettuce on the bottom, the taco seasoning meat, Quest protein chips, and then put the modified guacamole on top. And after I did this, I went ahead and decided to put some cilantro. The final picture is the cilantro with the guacamole on top. You can see good culture, cottage cheese, Quest protein chips, Fairlife protein drink. Delicious.
Oh, I see. I like white. Yeah. And then the other one seems I'm pretty sure she's another girl.
Stay up all night.
There's gotta be a entrance right there. I need to bring the. I need to start bringing the GoPro. All right, let's have a great semester of health. I know you guys can do it, and everyone can get an AMI class. Welcome to North High. Let's have a great 2024.